guys, what's up? Welcome to day 17 of Inktober, and today's theme or topic is swollen. And of course I was excited because after a series of 3-4 days with like seriously not that great topics like whale, clock, weak, angular, I was pretty pissed, and finally there was a theme or a topic which I was excited to draw again, and of course I had to make a character out of it, the boxer guy and with really bad hair, swollen face, and yeah, the pose looked like he won, so let's just go with it that he won the match. But he had a pretty rough time, so his one tooth is missing, his hair is really bad, his face is swollen. But since Posca markers have such great color pigment, so he looks great. And I really had fun doing this, like especially this after all those hard days. Finally something that I enjoyed more and was a bit, it was challenging but not that much because I didn't spend much time like deciding what to draw, and I just knew what I had to draw. Yeah, so I really had a good time with it, and the result is before you. I hope you liked it. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.